guys, we are out on a mission right now. We're gonna do some pulls with other fellow Subaru owners. We're here with Paul. Paul, say what up, man. Yep. So Paul in his WRX, we're on ethanol full bolt-ons and Killer B external wastegates. So my battery's low, bro. Dang. Gotta conserve this.
We'll come back around.
Yeah, we kind of got broken up at a stoplight.
I can't get on that.
Yeah, that speed bump was kind of high. I'm not gonna lie.
I was all the way up and still hit.
Really?
Hey, just wait there. We'll come back around.
Air up.
Can you see us? Oh, there you are.
Oh, ow, that hurt, man. I felt that one. Yeah, he missed third gear. Really? Yeah, he missed third.
You want to go again?
Rerun.
I just got capped. Hopefully I can shift.
Noob.
Fucking noob.
Freaking noob, man. Dang.
I don't understand why it's not going.
Do you have a short shifter in there?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if it is. That was just a theory. I don't know. I don't like short shifters, to be honest with you. That's just me. Like one of the only people who don't like short shifters. Let's try to get on this side for. Again? Here we go, do it. WRX versus STI. All right, go honk.
Maybe I do need some more ethanol.
Yeah. Round two. Every time you scrape, yeah, it's like.
I'm gonna put more. Piss me off.
Yeah, more ethanol. It's only at 51. All right, so right now Paul is just having an issue where he's not getting the right ethanol content. I don't know if it's a sensor or the gas is just only at E50. So it's supposed to be E98, but his ethanol content is staying at E50 right now. All right, so IAG stage 2 block, yeah, pretty much.
Stage 2.
Yeah.
Full E, couple bolt-ons. All the way down to 5.
It's a couple bolt-ons. What do you say?
Bolt-ons.
The turbo you running?
Stock turbo.
Stock turbo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
340. So.
340? Awesome. Yeah, 340. Should be good. You should be good. Yeah. Yeah, you'd probably got me, man, hard.
I don't know. I heard what you're pushing. 58.
Oh, you're good. 58.
That's when my car starts fucking up.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, 55 is the magic, the sweet spot for you, right?
Yeah.
What are you at? 58. 58?
Yeah, my car, like, it won't go after 57. My floor, it'll go like, because it can't handle it.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this.
Did the tuner set a limit on you?
I told you after you asked him, you gotta shake it up.
Yeah. All right, we gotta switch over to the phone. Battery's dead. There you go. They're way down there. Yeah. how'd it go?
That's pretty good.
Yeah?
So he definitely has top one on me.
Yeah.
For sure. That's pretty good.
This guy get the jump on me because he be doing a little blah, 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 blah.
A little rolling
I
launch,
just
huh?
have it in second.
Yeah.
I'm just like.
So,
Turbo kick in, turbo kick in.
So you got the launch, but then I.
If you two-step, it acts like a brake boost, basically.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
I need to start.
All right, back home now, and yeah, those were some pretty interesting runs, wasn't it? So big shout out to Paul and the guys for letting me tag along to film some of the runs. No, I didn't get to run the car. They just wanted to run each other, and I just figured I'd hitch a ride with Paul and so I can film the runs for you guys. But anyways, just to give you guys an update, I will be parting out the STI soon, but it's not what you think. But before we get into that, I do want to say thanks for your guys' support in the whole new car search video. A lot of great suggestions out there, and I really do appreciate it. But I just don't want to, or me and the family just don't want to rush into a car right away. We want to look for the right car at the right price, but I promise you a new car or used car will be coming to the channel very, very soon. But as far as parting out the STI, I do have to sell some of the parts in order to fund some of the new parts that are going to be going into the STI. Unfortunately, it's going to be local only because there's shady people out there who will buy stuff online, make a PayPal claim saying that the item was broken, damaged, or they haven't received it. They get their money back, they get a free part, and it screws the seller over. It's just local only for me for right now. But anyways, yeah, just a new garage part or tool. I got this new scan grip light. This is just an awesome light. Now, I did order a Milwaukee hood light, and I just didn't like the color output on that. I don't know if this is flickering on camera, but when I tried to record with the Milwaukee hood light, which you guys know I like Milwaukee products, it just flickered on and off, and the light was very, very yellow. This has a superior, I don't know, I was reading up on it, CRI or something like that. It's just an overall much cleaner light. I don't know, I'm not a lighting expert, but I got this from Obsessed Garage. If you guys are looking for a nice, awesome hood light, check it out. Link is down in the description below. But anyways, that is it for this one. A short video, not much for this week. I will be filming a lot more. I still got a bunch more videos I have to edit. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your guys' support. And don't forget, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway, go check out one of my previous videos and get yourself entered into the giveaway. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later. Catch you on the next one, guys. Peace out.